po sa inyong lahat. I'm Kevin J.B. Cornejo, 28 years old.
Hi, NCGens. I'm Chantal, class 2018.
Ako si Simon at SCCA Jus.
Hello, so my name is Marble Danili and I'm from Batch 2012.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. I am Jamaica Kala po. Lumipat po ako sa NCT, grade 6.
Hi, I am Ailika Menainsi Gomez. I was a student in NCT Integrated School from grade 1 to grade 6.
Sa NCDISI, marami ako natutunang important values tulad ng discipline, respect, and responsibility. So, hindi lang ito mga lessons inside the classrooms, kundi mga values din na natutunan kong i-apply in everyday life.
Isa sa pinakatumatak sa akin from NCD, integrated schools, yung inclusivity, especially toward person with disability. Before kasi hindi ko pa siya ganun ka naiintindihan. Pero nakita ko na talaga na parang lahat ng teacher, yung treat nila sa student nila, pantay-pantay. Hindi lang din sila focus dun sa mga academics. Focus sila more on socialization and yung working on with the people. And ramdam mo din yung care, warmth, and acceptance sa school environment na yun.
Ang natutunan ko sa NCD is kung yung paano maging mabait sa lahat ng tao kasi naalala ko noon pagka umaga, naglalakad kami paikot sa Road 24 up to around I think sa Road 23, iikot lang kami. Magmamano kami sa lahat ng mga matatanda kung paano makibagay sa mga tao, ganon.
Na natutunan ko sa NCD is the vibe of inclusivity, the patient, the teamwork. It's all the stuff I'll carry with me forever. So, and seeing the teacher go all out for students with diverse needs, it shaped me big time.
This doesn't only include the academic lessons, but it also taught me values like having discipline, being responsible, and learning from my mistakes. It helped me in building my confidence, in my teamwork, and hard determination for my goals and things that I want to achieve.
Ako ng sulat, tuto ako ng bibilang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ano ang mga hindi mo kakalimutan sa NCD?
Kain ng sure,
Mga gawain sa school, anong mga activities?
talent and pancit and sayaw and anting.
Ramdam mo din yung care, warmth, and acceptance sa school environment na yun. So, may mga instances din before na nakakausap ko yung mga deaf students at ibang individuals din, disabilities, mga kuyas and ates ko before. And for me, that was already meaningful kahit bata pa ako nun.
I think NCD is may root kung ngayon kasi sa kanila nagsimula ang lahat and then na-develop hanggang sa and now I'm a seafarer.
Dito, binibigyan talaga nilang kalagahan or importance yung confidence, proper behavior, and which is very helpful sa akin and sa aking current career in life.
Hi, I'm Maxime Jamie Asuncion, grade 6 student. In NCD Integrated School, I learned many skills that help me every day. I learned how to read and write better, count and solve simple math and problems, and follow instructions. I also learned to express myself. Be patient.
Hello, my name is Azam Faisal Somdad Arce. I'm grade 6 and I have been a student of NCDISI for 6 years. And during that time, I learned more than academic lessons. I learned the importance of patience, respect, and understanding. NCDISI teaches fairness and equality. Our teachers has always guided and supported us, which helped us not only as a student, but also as a person.
Hi, my name is Alvin Lebron Lee, and this is for the 27th Foundation Day of NCT Integrated School. I learned to read, write, and to learn from the school because I've been in the school since I was grade 2. So I basically learned reading and writing in the school. And a lot of the topics like history, English, uh, science, all of those subjects I learned in the schools. And like the things I won't forget is the teachers, because our teachers change, they leave, and sometimes substitute teachers. And I won't forget the some of the classmates that I made that left the school, that transferred. Some I made them my friends, some I still play with them. And overall the lessons I like to learn, like example in history about Pangea, and like how Charles Darwin's theory of us being a monkey. I still remember that because I like that topic, and like the islands and oceans of the Philippines. I memorized that as well.
Hi, my name is Rodgin Trazo, grade 6. I first went to NCD when I was grade 1. And I became more responsible and independent because of my projects and homeworks. The one memory I won't forget is when my family went to a face-to-face family day, and I met my online classmates. We played and we became friends.
Happy 27th founding anniversary to NCD Integrated School. Congratulations to the whole NCD Integrated School family on 27 amazing years. Thank you for your continued guidance and for shaping the knowledge and values of the students. We also like to thank its founding members, Ma'am Nancy, Sir Angel, and the school principal, Miss Joyce Ann Duque. May the school continue to grow, inspire, and help students, both normal and with special needs, in the years to come.
Kaya nandito po ako ngayon para batiin kayo ng isang Happy 27th Foundation Day, NCD Integrated School. Sana po, NCDians, mai-celebrate nyo po ito ng masaya at may pagkakaisa at may pananalig sa Diyos para lalo pang matibay at tumibay ang pundasyon ng NCD Integrated School. Once again, Happy 27th Foundation Day. Mabuhay ang NCD Integrated School. Mabuhay ang NCDians. Pagpalain kayo, Ma'am Nancy at Sir Angel, Ate Annie, Ma'am Joyce, ng Puong May Kapal. Maraming salamat po. Happy 27th Foundation Day.
Congratulations NCD sa 27 founding anniversary. God bless.